This is Cars You Can Fix. Today we're working on a 1999 Honda Civic DX. We're going to be doing the rear brakes, the drum brakes on this. Okay, if this is too hard to get off, you're going to want to spray PB Blaster in these holes here and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to either hit it here, hit it around here, or you can put some screws in there to press it off. That's if it's really stuck on there. This one was loose though. Alright, so get some brake spray. Spray all that. Spray that down. I'm gonna get this top spring first. Gonna get this spring next. I just like to use vice grips. Next, let's get these spring clips here. Carefully remove the adjuster. Remember the orientation. You got the next one here. And then the spring at the bottom. Just remove it like that. Okay, to get this off, give yourself a little room, take it out of the back there, hold it out. Basically just pull that spring back and slip that off. These are the parts we're going to be using for the shoes and the drums. So the shoes, they look the same. Doesn't look like there's a left side or right side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing off here. Just get a screwdriver, try to get a screwdriver in there. Sometimes that doesn't work though. One thing that works sometimes, just getting a screwdriver and then putting a hammer behind it. Another screwdriver and pop it out the back there. Alright. Got a washer, and then that guy, and then the pin switches over. Now to get it on, sometimes you could just use these guys. Just some pliers here. Okay. And then what I do here is I get some needle nose pliers. And then you just tighten that up a little bit. There it is. You're going to want to clean these points up here. Use some of this never sees. And you're going to get these 3 contact points on each side. And I like to even put a little bit in there. Let's get this guy back in here. Okay. Make sure you loop this in the back through here first. And then make sure to get this in the holder here. Flip it up there. Then we're going to get this side up. And remember to put your spring clips from behind like that. Go ahead and clip it on there. And bring that up. We're going to do the same thing. Get this clip back on. Okay. And now we're going to clean this up. Use a little bit of never sees. And just put a little bit on these threads. And let's put a little bit of anti-seize up there too. Okay, remember it goes in like this. All right, so let's get this guy back in here. Okay, we're going to get this spring in. Okay, we're going to fit this adjuster clip back on. Okay, we got the new drums here. Just spray them down a little bit. And now we may have to do some adjustment to get these shoes to fit right. Maybe he's got to adjust this a little bit. Bringing these pads in. So that was a little too much. Try a couple more clicks. Just to repeat this process until it starts to get a little bit snug. Okay, that's good right there. So with the wheel on, I usually do it so you spin it. Spins about 1 time, 1.5 times. Then we're going to torque the wheel lugs down to 80 foot-pounds. And you're done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.